In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Binance Exchange, your beginner's guide for 2025, along with the best trading strategies to prevent crypto loss. As we dive into this guide, you'll learn how to navigate the platform effectively and smartly, protecting your investments along the way. Let's get started with these clear and essential steps. First, the journey begins with logging into your Binance account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy and that your device's security is up to date. Safety should always be a top priority when dealing with financial platforms. Now, moving on, once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the Markets section. This is your go-to place for exploring the wealth of crypto pairs available on Binance. Look around and take your time to get familiar with the different options you might want to trade. Remember, understanding the market is key to making informed decisions. Next, if you're ready to make a move, you'll use the spot market. This is where you can manually buy or sell cryptocurrencies. Spot trading means you're dealing in real-time transactions, directly purchasing crypto with the amount specified in your order. This is the bread and butter of crypto trading, and it's crucial to be comfortable with it. Now, when you are setting up to buy or sell, you'll encounter different order types: limit market and stop limit orders. A limit order will only execute at a specific price you set, while a market order will execute immediately at the current market price. A stop limit order is a bit more advanced, allowing you to set a stop price that turns into a limit order. This is very useful for hedging your bets in the market. A major tip to keep in mind is to avoid panic selling. It's easy to feel swayed by quick market shifts, but having a clear entry and exit plan and sticking to it can save you a lot of headaches. Emotional trading often leads to mistakes, so plan your moves carefully before you execute them. Managing risk is another critical aspect, and using tools like stop loss and take profit orders can help you control potential losses. A stop loss automatically sells your asset at a predetermined price if the market moves against you, while take profit ensures you lock in profits at a set level. These tools are essential to safeguard your capital and help ride out market volatility without being glued to your screen. Finally, the golden rule in crypto: never invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto markets can be unpredictable, and safeguarding your financial health should always come first. Stay informed, keep your strategy disciplined, and remember that crypto trading can be a rewarding endeavor if approached with care and knowledge. Thank you for joining me on this insightful guide. By following these steps and strategies, you'll be better equipped to navigate Binance Exchange confidently and effectively in 2025. Happy trading, and remember to stay safe out there.